Just for Moms Mondays with Rachel Edwards, brought to you by the sponsors of MomsEveryday.com.
Hello and welcome to Moms Every Day. As moms, we do our best to keep our kids safe. But if you wind up in a car crash, would you know the proper protocol? Kyle McNew, an attorney from MichieHamlett, is here to talk about the proper steps to follow. Welcome.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Well, there's so much racing through our minds after a crash. What are those first steps?
That's right. You're going to be upset if you have a child in the car. You know, I have a 15-month-old son. They're going to be upset either because they're scared or maybe if they're hurt. So you got to think clearly. The first step: always call the police. There's no such thing as a minor accident if it involves a kid.
Great advice.
They can't tell you if they're hurt or not. Whether they're just scared or if they're actually hurt. Assume that they are and call the police. That's why they're there.
And that's often the first step people forget.
That's the first step. Next thing, get out of the way if you can. This is a judgment call, but very minor accidents can turn into very major ones because of what's coming behind you. So if you can, get to the shoulder, get to a parking lot, get to the median. And the third thing is, again, it's a judgment call, but try to resist the urge to move your child if they're in a safety seat or something like that. Sometimes moving them could only make, if there any injuries that they have, worse.
Yeah.
So just wait for emergency personnel to get there.
Okay. And I know on your website at MichieHamlett.com you offer a reminder card. So if you are in an accident, you can pull it out and it helps you in a stressful situation.
We do, and hopefully you never have to use it. But if it's nice to have it there just to keep you on track.
Well, thank you. And if you'd like more, visit our website, MomsEveryday.com.
Moms Every Day with Rachel Edwards, weekdays at 7:22 a.m. and 7:27 p.m. is brought to you by the sponsors of MomsEveryday.com.